The compression spring is part of your roofing nailer's nail feed system. The spring holds the pawl tightly against the nails so they feed properly. Over time, the spring can weaken, causing play in the pawl and potential nail feed issues. Replacing the compression spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the magazine. With the magazine removed, now I can remove the nosepiece cover. I'll remove the rubber washer from the step pin. Now I can press the step pin through the piston. Now I'll disassemble the safety linkage. First I'll remove the spring, and then the screw that secures the contact foot. And I'll pull the contact foot away from the nosepiece. Now I'll use my punch to pull the piston away from the pawl. With the piston out of the way, I can remove the spring. Now I can install the new spring. The spring goes into the recess in the pawl. I'll slightly compress the spring and allow the piston to travel back over the top of it. And now I can remove the punch. Now I'll reinstall the step pin. I'll align the pawl with the piston and insert the pin. Now I can reinstall the rubber washer. I'll place the washer over the end of the pin and press it into place. Now I'll reinstall the contact foot. And the spring. Now I'll reinstall the nosepiece cover and finish up by reinstalling the magazine. And that's how you can replace the compression spring in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.